Kia ora, I'm Sharon Calvert and I'm the Director of International at the University of Waikato. I'm standing here on the beautiful Hamilton campus. It's fantastic that you've clicked through to the site and you're here to join us on this virtual open day that we're hosting. You can click through and sample some of our lectures, you can see what our facilities are, you can hear what some of our students have to say, what our staff have to say, and really get a sense of what it's like to be a student at the University of Waikato. We have 3 campuses worldwide. We have 2 in New Zealand. You can either study here in Hamilton or you can study over in the beautiful city of Tauranga. Thinking about where to study overseas, I hope New Zealand comes to mind and the University of Waikato. It's an affordable place. It's a beautiful environment. It's multicultural. It's a safe place to study. It has many things to offer. It also has some of the best post-study work rights in the world. So take a look around. Experience what it's like to be an international student here at the University of Waikato. And I'm really excited to welcome you here in the future.